RV ownership, there's a lot that goes on with it, but you have like the best of both worlds, right? You just get to use it.
Overall, I mean, we race 38 weekends a year. So having a space where you can kind of relax, because it's such a hectic schedule.
We are out at Poconos Raceway for NASCAR weekend, and you might have wondered, we're in the driver's lot right now. What do some of these awesome driver team motorhomes look like inside? Well, we have a triple slide Featherlite Prevost behind us, and we have somebody to give us a special tour. So let's check it out. What do we have over here? This is pretty impressive here.
How's it going, guys?
Oh, we got Cole Custer.
Yeah, good seeing you guys. Thanks for coming out.
41 car, Stewart-Hass Racing Ford Mustang.
Yep.
And you have a beautiful, beautiful coach here. Your team has a beautiful coach here. You know why you have this and what you do with it. So take us for a tour. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what's going on.
Yeah, let's do it.
Take that toilet test for me. Oh, 100%.
Yeah, so overall, I mean, we race, 38 weekends a year. So having a space where you can kind of relax, look at data from the race and practice, and just kind of go over things and kind of get in a good mindset. I mean, it's pretty huge. I mean, just because it's such a hectic schedule. But overall, I mean, I get to use this bus. Our team provides it, Stewart-Hass Racing. So it's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty nice to be able to come in here and relax. Obviously got the couches, got the TVs back there. We got everything that we need, really. Got double stuffed Oreos, can't go wrong there.
Oh, yeah.
Important stuff right there.
We got the fridge here. We're sponsored by Dixie Vodka, so you can't go wrong. Good day or bad day, we got it covered.
Oh, and a lot of Coca-Cola in there too,
lots of
right?
Coke,
Keep it going for the race.
We do need a lot of water though, because obviously in the cars it gets like 140 degrees on a hot day. So you try and hydrate as much as you can pretty much the whole week.
You can't turn that AC on in there.
Yeah, well, we have like a little thing that goes to our helmet, but it doesn't do much.
It just blows a lot of hot air in there.
Exactly, yep.
This is a bath and a half?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have a bathroom right here, and we got the shower, shower right here. Now in the back of the motorhome, last room, got the bed. So get to sleep here if you want. I mean, got the TV, pretty much got anything you really need. I mean, obviously life on the road, it's our home on wheels. So I mean, we're gone for so many weekends during the year. It's just nice to have that place to get away.
Now, one of the things that we had talked about a little bit earlier is RV ownership. There's a lot that goes on with it, but you have like the best of both worlds, right? You just get to use it and you have somebody deliver it for you. So that's a pretty awesome thing.
And take care of it.
And take care of it. You just like show up.
It does work out pretty good. I mean, obviously we have Bill, motor coach driver for the team. I mean, he does a really good job. And like you said, I mean, it takes a lot of stress off me because I don't have to do much with it with the maintenance or anything, but it's just a nice place for me to relax, honestly.
So thank you for that tour, Cole. If somebody wants to follow you on social media or Stewart-Hass Racing, where do they need to go?
Yeah, just look up my name on Twitter or Instagram. Cole Custer 41's I think my handle, but Stewart-Hass Racing also. If you want to follow us throughout the year, that's where to go.
Yeah, and we'll put the link to Cole and Stewart-Hass Racing, all their information, we'll put in the link below. Thank you so much for your time. Guys, put in the comments below, do you want to see more driver interviews, driver tours? Let us know in the comments below. And for myself, Jason's outside, MJ and Cole, we thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the road.